Hello, dear children. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and safe and also learning things, right? So, we have already started chapter number 6, that is going to sleep. And I hope you enjoyed, right? Enjoyed my explanation and you laughed also. Okay, fine. But today we are going to discuss question answer of page number 57. First question given for you here is, what did Mr. Fogg do to fall asleep? That means Mr. Fogg क्या क्या किए नींद आने के लिए. Okay, so let us begin the answer. You listen it carefully. I will give you the answer key, don't worry. So in order to fall asleep, Mr. Fogg closed his eyes and imagined sheep jumping over a high fence and began to count. Okay, he counted many times, 100 plus, right? 100 times, 140 times, sometimes 120 times. So he counted many times the jumping sheep and tried to get or fall asleep. Why did Mr. Fogg's aunt come into the room? Do you remember this answer? We have discussed when he was sleeping, his aunt came to him and asked for what reason? Mr. Fogg's aunt came to him or came into the room to tell him that he had forgotten. What he had forgotten? To close the back door to the house. Okay, that he had forgotten. And she also mentioned that some thieves has come behind the back door. Now third number question, what made Mr. Fogg very upset? What did he do then? See, many times he became upset. So what would be the answer of this question? Do you have any idea? Yes. So here I am giving you the answer of third number question. Mr. Fogg was very upset when he had nearly fallen asleep and the neighbor's cat began fighting very loudly. He leaped out of his bed and went to the window. Then what happened next? Yes, he began throwing anything he could find at the cats, like his boots, a soap dish, a comb, a plate, a brush, and so on. He thrown all this on whom? The cats, right? Fourth number question is, was there a real earthquake that night? Do you think that night there was a real earthquake? No, it was not a real earthquake. What had actually happened then? What had actually happened? Yes? Yes. So your answer would be, no, it was not the real earthquake. Mr. Fogg's wife, or you can write Mrs. Fogg, had fallen off the bed with a loud thud, and it made the aunt to think that there was an earthquake, right? Question number 5, how did Mr. Fogg finally fall asleep? How did he learn from his experience? This is important question, okay? Because this is something logical question that you have to give. Here is the answer. Mr. Fogg grabbed a pillow and went to where? To the sofa in the sitting room. There was a sofa in his sitting room. So he grabbed a pillow and went to the sofa and lay down there Finally, he fell asleep, right? And he learnt that counting sheep could not help anyone to to sleep. So this is he learnt. Okay, now turn page, open page number 58. So in this question we have to write true and not true in front of the sentence. Let us read and find out the answer. Mr. Fogg tried very hard to fall asleep. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay. Mr. Fogg went down to check and found the back door wide open. No, it was not true. Okay. He found the door was closed. Yes. So in front of the sentence write down not true. Third number. The neighbor's cow started mooing when the fog was almost Mr. Fogg was almost asleep. No. So who started fighting? Yes, the neighbor's cats started fighting. Okay, and disturbed Mr. Fogg. So according to that, this sentence is not true. Fourth number, Mr. Fogg rolled out of the bed and fell on the ground. Sorry, I read wrong. I'm sorry. Mrs. Fogg rolled out of the bed and fell on the ground with a loud sound. Yes, it is true, right? And the aunt, she thought that there was an earthquake, a real earthquake, right? Okay, now next is question number 5. Mr. Fogg was sure that counting sheep helped in getting a good sleep. Do you think that it is true? No, it is not true, because he counted many times and he disturbed, right? And could not get. But when he didn't count and sleep, finally he got a good sleep after that. Okay, now think and answer for you. Let us read the think and answer wala question. Do you think that counting sheep could have helped Mr. Fogg if he had not been disturbed so many times? What makes you think so? Good question. Yes. You guess something? Guess the answer? Okay, let it be. Fine. I'll tell you the answer. Listen it carefully. I think counting sheep could have helped Mr. Fogg if he had not been disturbed. Okay? Disturbed so many times because, see, we have taken a few words from this question only. See, from here. Counting sheep could have helped Mr. Fogg if he had not been disturbed so many times. Then we added because and we are giving answer for the reason. He would soon become tired of counting and would be lulled off sheep. Okay, so this is your answer. I'll give you the written or PDF file of or Word file of this answer. You write all this answer clearly in your FNB because we are going to check and you'll get some marks to maintain your notebooks and your textbook and worksheet. Okay, so till then you write down question answer, learn it properly. We'll discuss some other thing in the next class. Okay.